Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make simple blueberry muffin and that too eggless. There are many ways of making muffins, but today I am showing you is a tried and tested recipe. These muffins are super moist, spongy, and the best part is they taste amazing. Before I start, I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's get started. Now take 1.5 cup of plain flour. Coat the blueberries with the flour so that it will not set down while baking. Reserve some blueberries for the topping. Once you mix the flour, set it aside. In a mixing bowl, we will be adding 1 cup of curd, and to this we will be adding 3/4 cup of sugar. We are going to mix this well with the wire whisk. Beat the mix well. The sugar should dissolve completely. You can see the thick and creamy consistency of the mix. To this, we will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and we will be mixing it again. You can see the bubbles on the surface. This is because of the reaction of baking powder and baking soda. Now add half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of blueberry essence. If you have blueberry essence, add it. Otherwise, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence also, and any vegetable oil of your choice. Mix gently. Now start adding the flour and the blueberry mix. After adding the flour, we should not mix very hard. Gently mix the flour with the batter. Now the mixture seems to be very thick, so we will be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk to it just to make it thin batter. My oven is already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, and now the batter is ready. We will be filling the liners with the batter. Just fill 3/4 of the liners so that there is some space for the muffin to rise while baking. Tap the muffin tray and let it bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. You can see the color of the muffin and it is evenly baked all over. Now the muffins are ready. See the golden color of the muffin, and they are well baked. You can keep them in an airtight container for a week also. Hope you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share and comment below. Thank you.